Hey everyone, welcome back to Little Tree Auto Channel. I'm gonna take a quick peek at some new tools I got. These are the Precision Torque wrenches by Mac. I guess they're actually a Facom, something like that. Another brand copy kind of deal. But I really like these. It's 7 through 19, and it skips. Which one does it skip? 9. Yeah, I don't know last time I used a 9, so that's probably why it's been skipped. These are ratcheting, and I always like getting the flex heads. I'm done buying the standard deal. They stay where you want them to stay almost all of the time, and when you need that flex, it's there. I don't need it to be locking. I've never had a problem with this, but I have a pretty extensive wrench collection at this point, and I'm done buying wrenches, I can officially say. So it's kind of a nice case here. I brought these home tonight to do some work, and well, they usually stay in this thing pretty good, especially the small ones. They're tight. So this thing bundles up pretty nicely. And another unique point, it's a 6-point. Woo-wee. Why have they not always been 6-point in the ratcheting? I don't get it. Why the hell would you need 12 points when you can simply twist it and get it onto another spot? I don't know. I've got the SK non-flex, because I don't believe that they make one in their X frame, and those are amazing. However, they aren't flex head, and I have noticed I'm gonna have to use their warranty plan, because I've definitely opened up some of the open ends on them. They're spread for sure. You know, especially the 13. I was trying to do an alignment the other day, and I put my 13 on it. It was super loose, and this one fit, another one fit, gear wrench fit, and I don't think it was like that before. So we'll have to see about that. But I don't know. I got nothing else to say about these. I haven't had them for too long, like a month maybe. I've used them a lot, but I can't say that, you know, with stuff like this, I just feel like if you like how it feels in your hand and it doesn't, you know, the ears or whatever you want to call the jaws here don't just snap off like I have had happen before. It's totally personal preference here. I mean, I've got other cheaper wrenches that seem to bite the heads just as good as these, but I have like some addiction to wrenches that I think I may be all set with for now. But yeah, I like these. You know, they weren't cheap. I think they were like 280 bucks for the set, and they are a little shorter actually than I thought. These are definitely right in between my stubby gear wrench and my SK. You know, I don't know if these are considered like a normal size or if they're a little bit short. I guess I think I would consider these a normal length, standard length, and then my SKs might be long, and then there's the extra long, like one of these mountains, you know, substantially different here. But yeah, that's it. You know, if you have any questions about these, but I can recommend them. Personal preference though. That's my opinion on that. All right. Thanks for watching.